me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grand Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Carla and Karle. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Karle on your hip every day. They play with Karle. They play with Karle. Bring Karle go to store. Me send the money, say, buy Karle ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. Do John Griffiths know say me dead? So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. Do John Griffiths from Gulf? Do John Griffiths? I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me. Kill me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Kissy Unstoppable. So this video that I'm featuring right now, it's the mom of Carla and the grandmother of Kylie. You all remember Carla and Kylie, the 9-month-old that got killed, and the mom that got shot with her boyfriend, but apparently the boyfriend survived and the mom didn't survive and the little baby didn't survive. They were allegedly shot by a jealous family friend. So guys, you know, the story is still sad. It's very sad, very sad. So the mom went back to work and she was greeted by her co-workers, and she's showing a video with her daughter when her birthday, and her daughter bring her all those gifts, and those were happy moments. But you can see in the mom's face that she's still going through it. But I pray to God, mom, that you find the strength. Guys, we need justice for Carla and Kylie. So guys, before I go over to the video for you all to watch it, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to put on a post notification so you know each time I upload a video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so.
I'm telling you, say rough. I mean, rough like September the 7th to the 9th. Today open up so all rough. I can't even begin to elaborate in their last moments. I'm going to tell you, say, it's rough. Life is so unfair. Trust me. Where I asked the police today to explain the case fully to me. What happened to my child and what happened to my grandchild. The bag of threat wanna claim so no send about who put out picture. Your picture supposed to put out. After all that you did, your picture supposed to put out. So the intimidation thing now ain't gonna work whoever associated with you. The bag of texting and threats that you think that you're sending is not working. My face is in a rather deplorable condition because of all the crying and the eye rubbing and just being depressed, honestly. But you, do John, or text about how you know who will live and who. Nobody no move. So since you have everybody address, all you have to do is do your next best. Cause me personally, not afraid of you. Cause friend. So therefore, you were invited to everyone's house. People gave you stuff because of Pinky and Carla. So when they come who for address you have and who for address you don't have. Listen to me well. Nobody na run up and down because of you. You know wherever me personally not afraid because what you do to me in a life, there is nothing can top that. I tell you, so if I death your face say, you go care to me. Bring it. Cause since you fall rain and shine sun, wanna bring it with us. What you done to me? What you personally have done to me? I don't think there is nothing worse than what you personally do me in a life. Remember next best. But guess what? It's not over until the fat lady sings. Here. Long run. Nah no gunman friend. Me nah no gunman associate. Me work with the US Marshal, the local police department, and the FBI. So all you have to do is do. Nobody no move and nobody no afraid of you. Cause you know where everybody live and you the text, so you know where this a live and you know where that they live. Since you know where everybody live and you no pull up. I think I IG alone, the picture go the pan. The picture go the pan every cloud news channel in every state of America. Just wait on it. Here, just wait on it. Look how the car dark. Look how the blood car dark. Eh? And the boy lock up the little baby in the car. Lock up Carla. And this you left me with. This they left me with.
Yeah, picture. So, on behalf of my family and I would like to thank each and everyone for the outpouring support and love that you guys have shown me in my time of bereavement. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for everything, for the love, the support, the phone calls, everything. So I'm providing some food for you today. Oh, no,
Happy Mama Shelly, happy day.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, come on.
God.
So, surprise!
Oh my God. Thank you, daughter. Who's that? Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Who that there? Who that in a bowl? Who that? Oh my God, this looks so good. You don't know this here, mommy? Thank you, Carly. Thank you. Oh, listen, I'll be getting the best birthday present so far. Like, oh my God, if me say I'm not blessed, I'm gonna be lying. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you, Carla. Thank you, Carly.
Tell Grammy happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Carly. Tell Grammy happy birthday. Tell Grammy happy birthday. Tell Grammy happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Carly. Say happy birthday, Carly. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tell Grammy happy birthday.